Morning people, what are going on? Big up on yourself, welcome back to the channel. So this morning, I try to catch an interview with my busy friend Richard Brown Films. You know, one of the owners of one of the fastest growing YouTube channels right now. Hold on there. I turn down this, get rid of some of nice, so I poured one little princess right or so. Because the boss busy, you know, the boss have here all sort of things. So forget the interview, me have to.
No, them have to get the paper
So,
before they do nothing.
yeah, we are gonna do some. Well, really and truly, I have one car where I'm gonna get insured, guys. So,
It's a rain, me just go.
you know, me I
One
tag
out
along.
of two. So drive out. Yo, me soon found.
So, see him, the people. That's what we have to do for catch him now. I'm busy now, you know.
Oh God, don't talk about. Yeah, man.
So, Mr. Brown, one thing more I know first of all. What does it feel like? Forget this amount of success on YouTube. What does it feel like?
Alright. No, sometimes when I ask one question, my head always gone in the next direction.
Yeah, man, have fun with it, man. Have fun with it.
Alright, you know, so the weirdest thing I see happen other day, I go one place named Dumfries, one 4 place over there, send Chilani go shoot, go film. And I see around 10 picnic in our yard, I see I run out. I says, Richard Brown, seeing the yes of him.
Yeah.
And in my headspace, at the first it really hit home and said, right, it will. Like people really view you as a celebrity, like so it feel weird, man. Like
Yeah.
it feel very weird, but in one sense, it just me feel like say, yo, hard work pay off. Cause
Yeah.
I always say, boy, I don't believe in hard work, you know. Hard work. But I realize the hard work with a little strategy and something behind it can really materialize to something. I swear. And
Yeah.
I really feel proud, man.
It's a great feeling, not Joe?
Feel good, man. Trust me.
Alright, the next thing, too, guys, you probably don't know. But this brother showed movie from in band. They get to me and say, that's something I'm passionate about. And me find out that the short time I'm there around him. You might not know as well. Well, I'm not gonna know. But boss got you some real serious time last year. You lose
Yeah,
your
man.
mother recently, not
Yeah,
yeah.
tell her like now last year, everything, and then you know, say a wedding we did focus man, so wedding did get a hard hit, so everything did went down to zero. So if you had the movie last year, basically we just said doing it with nothing, just doing it, nothing in our pocket, nothing, no hungry days. Cause you know, because you ended it when I see no hungry days, and for really reach 40K in such a short period of time, I tell you, say, it feel like a blessing, swear.
But differently though still, you know, guys. Me I tell you, they have one brother on the team named Curious. Me don't know like long time subscriber them remember the first interview when they tell me about the Carelessness movie and the brother when named Curious, and I say, oh, Carelessness of the movie where it really get me attention because of the name. The writer when named Curious. Me never see nothing like him in my life yet. And you guys know how me get done with B-roll and my creativity. This brother, yeah, he pull you out a thin ear. But so because Richie know him longer than me, I gotta make him tell him about Curious Kim.
Yeah, man. So the weirdest thing, and that's what you say, it kind of weird. It's like you ever just there on somebody and just pull things out of thin air. Like for example, if I'm gonna say my artist and or a person who build beats and in the studio and he just bam touch up two things and then something just form a great. We think of that with Curious. So you just did it and we just say, alright, you see one writing on a shirt. Alright, you say, you know, say today I saw a movie name. And he just pull the idea out of thin ear. And with that, for me in that atmosphere and see that, it just amazes me every time he do it. And I always have to remind him and say, yo, you know, say, you're a genius, you. I swear to God, you're a genius. You know, say, boy, you can just pull the thing out of thin air. And then my part now is just to make sure, say, as soon as you have the idea, me just film it and make it come to life. And it work.
So tell me the next thing to because people might feel like say it easy, you know. Just give you a rundown of the amount of effort where you have to put in to get one movie completed, one movie, full-length movie.
Why? Some sleepless nights I wanna part because sometimes me even myself go up on set and me have to take even 1 hour and a half and go sleep because when we spend all day a film and then sometimes me have to take my computer and we go down a Curious and we down there for a day or maybe 2 and we just edit and get it ready by the end of the week. a whole heap of work. Like, it sometimes, even me and my body, me feel tired and I say, boy, curious, we have to take a day and get some rest. And it's alright, we should take a day. Because at the end of the day, we know what we are work towards. So we just have to put in the work. And sometimes even some of the subscribers, they will say, we need more, you guys should post more often, make the movies longer. But at the end of the day, sometimes they don't really understand the process where it takes to really create them film and especially create an hour film. Because even other day, I see somebody look at even Mark Angel, for example. Him have 7 million subscribers. Him film them and create them more than 15 minutes. And one time a week in post. And me not think he just post one time a week because him have a subscriber count so he can just easily do it and depends. Alright, the subscriber count are gonna make him make money. I think it just take time. So him just go through the process and make it take a week. So it's rough. It's rough to really create 1 hour film within a week. It's rough, I swear. But we have a strategy. And the strategy at work, we create the film them in a week. So, yeah. Yeah, man.
So, I'm gonna hear that. My brethren, this is a superstar. This is my boss. The little one I travel with, so.
You didn't get this movie yesterday.
I don't know how that go. And I know the only one.
Yeah, and the only one is a baby one. You have a big one. So,
the baby one.
Yeah, so, and again, too, part of it, I think, what my biggest drive to do this, I think that in the back of my mind and in the forefront, too. My biggest drive, I say, boy, this year, I'm going to reach 35. Soon brush 40, so boy, I have to, anything I accomplish, I just have to make it work. No, and I say, alright, you know what? I don't think I having no more time in my life to make no mistake. So I have to make every effort to make sure say every step I make calculated and just perfect. You see me? So I hit that, man. This is how I think for my life unfold. I mean, I always say to people, like when I go back through my life and I look back every step, and when things happen, I realize that everything happen. And it's like, you know, when you write one book and everything just come together, like I realize that everything will happen in my life, it just come together for this moment in terms of the success will happen.
Feel like I right time happen, not
yeah, because I always know back of my mind, I know something bigger will happen, but I just never know what. And sometimes you have to just realize how much I put it, sometimes you have to realize the perks that when you're around you. And I realize the filmmaking has always been a part of my life from a picnic.
But as I talk about that, tell me about when you usually up on the road, I sell the movie them.
Yes, 8 years ago, 8 to 9 years ago when we started filming the movie them, YouTube wasn't such a big thing, so we always say, alright, how we'll get the movie them out. We tried showing, it worked one time in a niggle, we tried in a Savvy, never worked. And we realized, you know, we have to cut off of this, you know. And we just try run out on the road and try to sell the movie them. And I realized that never my thing because hustling and selling on the road are not my thing. Everybody not cut out with certain things. I realized that wasn't my thing, so we just did kind of take a break. So now YouTube will present itself as the opportunity. We just take it and run with it. I swear. We just run with it and make it a work. It's a work in our favor in terms of the subscriber count and to the amount of people where I reach out to me every day.
And the super chat there now, you know. Super chat up and running now.
Alright.
Yeah.
and the merch too is soon up too.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, the merch is soon up and running. So everything is just a process, you know, and even though sometimes we ourselves might say things is a process, it is a process, but sometimes you have to make the process, you have to speed up the process too. Because sometimes if you just sit back and say, alright, I just time things will happen. Sometimes that time there, I will slip by and I know time 15 years pass and I say, boy, I just time. No. Sometimes you have to just seize the moment, then when they come and just say, no, I'm not waste no time. But that's what I have to do. So now I car seat. We have car seat, man, but in the next car.
So then I South Lamar town, which part is the name? I'm bar name Money Must Bar. As I tell you, I get the car insured or licensed or whatever. In case you know wonder, Laron left him Zin.
You know, so woman, we use one wipes and clean the baby door. Meanwhile, me have to use 10.
Have you used 10?
Yeah, man. One.
I have to use about 100 wipes and the woman then just use one and get the job done. So basically it. We are cut out and now, so boss, they are daddy duties.
She want to sleep, so she has to suck up on herself.
So yeah guys, as usual, Thank you for tuning in. Big up on yourself. Like God.